Let's make a simple homemade flax gel drink right in your kitchen. It's so easy. Combine 3 tablespoons of whole flax seeds with 3 cups of filtered water in a pot. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll notice that the water is thickening into a gel-like consistency. Once it reaches a smooth gel texture, remove it from the heat and let it cool. Then strain out the seeds using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. And that is your flax gel. Store it in a glass jar in the fridge for up to 3 days. To drink, mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of the flax gel with a glass of water, juice, or a smoothie. Enjoy daily as a wellness tonic. It supports digestion and gut health, helps hydrate skin and tissues, provides omega-3 seconds for brain and heart health, natural hormone balance support. Try this at home and let your body thank you. For more natural wellness tips and herbal remedies, don't forget to like, share, and follow.